So this year's Great Amazon Festival is back, and this time I decided to buy something good for myself. So I bought these Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones from the Amazon Great Indian Festival for just 17,000 rupees. Its maximum retail price usually is 34,990, but usually it goes around 24,000 rupees with some bank discount. But in this Great Indian Festival of Amazon, discount was too huge to ignore these beasts. So today these got delivered to me, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of these Momentum 4's and show you the first impression of these flagship headphones from Sennheiser, a very famous audio German company. So let's break the seal first. A seal on the left and two on the bottom side. So I have cut the seal from all the sides. Now let's open the box and have a first impression of these headphones. So first of all, we get a carrying pouch inside the box. The rest of the box is empty. Everything is inside this carrying pouch, which I'm telling you is of very high quality. Let's open the zip of this pouch and have a look of the headphone. So first of all, we get some manuals with it, a cable. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be tied in here, an aeroplane adapter. Let's put it aside, a silicone gel, and here are the main headphones themselves. Here, these look so premium, and the padding on the ear cups are so soft. So as you can see, as I took the headphones out from their case, they have started. I'm guessing if I put it back, it will shut down as well. Yes, they shut down as well. Let's take it out and put it aside and see what else is in this pouch. So a type C to type A cable for charging these headphones. And by the way, let me tell you this, that these headphones give you 60 hours of playback, which is highest in the flagship tier category of headphones. Even Sony's XM5 I think gives around 30 hours, and Apple's AirPod Max gives up only about 20 hours of playback. So as compared to those headphones, this gives a pretty big advantage over those. Let's put the pouch aside for a second and let's peel these stickers off of the ear cups. On the right ear cup, we get all the gesture support. These are the headphones. So this was the quick first impression of this headphone from Sennheiser Momentum 4's. I hope that you like this video. Also, I will leave the Amazon link of these headphones in the description below. Do check them out because it helps out our channel if you buy directly from our link. Thank you.